Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into how to file your homestead exemption in Georgia for 2025. If you own a home in Georgia, this is your chance to save hundreds, even thousands on your property taxes. Let's get into it. First up, are you eligible? To qualify for homestead exemption, there are a few key things to check. You must have owned the property as a January 1st, 2025. It has to be your legal residence, not a second home or rental. You need to actually live in this home, and you can't claim a homestead exemption for any other property in Georgia or any other state. If that sounds like you, you're eligible. Now, what documents will you need? It depends on your county, but there's a basic checklist to get started. Your full name, the property address, the parcel ID of your home, a valid Georgia driver license, a vehicle registration with your current address. If you're a new home owner, you might also need your recorded deed. And if your home is in a trust, you'll need the trust document with an affidavit. Next, how do you file? You'll need to submit your homestead exemption application to your county tax office. Each county may have a slightly different process. Some offer online filing and other may require to mail or hand deliver forms. So make sure to contact your county tax office directly or visit their website for exact filing instruction. Finally, once you're approved, good news. Your exemption usually renew automatically every year, as long as you keep living in home and nothing changes with ownership. And that's it. Filing your homestead exemption in Georgia 2025 is straightforward and totally worth your effort for the tax savings. If this found helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow Georgia homeowners. Thanks for watching.